Hey guys, here at OSReviews.com. These are the 300-watt green laser devices that we've received recently from a testing, and this is very interesting. Typical laser pointers that we receive for technological reviews, like for PowerPoints and for teachers, are red, and those are low wattages. Now, green ones are usually symbolic of something of a higher wattage. It's not necessarily true. Red ones can still be very powerful, but this is, of course, something a lot more powerful, but it's still not as powerful as a lot of more expensive laser products. We'll provide you with a link for this device, and they won't burn necessarily. We haven't experienced anything like we put it on paper and it starts burning away. It's not that high wattage, but it still is very bright, and it's something very great and very lengthy that we haven't really seen. So in terms of safety, it's still safe, but in terms of brightness and distance, it's already one of the best that we've seen for these types of lasers. Now, of course, it's going to run on a AA battery, which you can screw off inside. It's made out of soft touch material. It's fairly large as well. It's very professional looking. It can take a lot of probably banging around and it won't break. There's just an on-off button. There's also a laser warning. Now, on the tip, there's also removable tips. Like on this tip right now we have installed is the night star view. When we use the night star view, basically stars appear and we can twist the tip and access different views of this. So it turns on a different light show whenever you twist and access different designs, and it's very mesmerizing and very bright. Even as the distance stretches, the whole entire light effect never fades away. Even in direct sunlight, the light manages to remain very, very, very bright, and that's a sign of a great laser. Now, in terms of distance, it's also really far away. In night conditions, we're going to go all the way across. If we're outside in our neighborhood, we can actually shine it on other people's houses. It goes entirely down the streets. So it's a very impressive technology that is great. Turning out the lights, we'll take a look at the laser and at the light that it emits. So right now, we're going to go all the way back, and this is what it looks like. So very much like fireworks, it looks very stunning. So you can also turn off and switch these types of light switches, of course. For example, if we twist this model, this little gap off, this one comes included inside of the package. If we twist this off, can we get it off? Get it off? It becomes just a normal laser pointer. It's a very powerful one at that, and we just emit a very high frequency light. Now you can also tell this is a very high frequency because I don't know, this camera is not picking this up. It's not doing this laser pointer justice, but the line of sight, like when we're shining something on, it actually shows all the dust particles. Everything is showing. It's kind of like a line connecting it to a dot, and that's very, very interesting. It's very bright. If we turn off the lights again, it's not picking up everything, but hopefully see all these little sparkling parts. This camera is very bad. I'm using this phone right now just to show it, but all these sparkling particles there, you can kind of see it, is actually, you can, in real life, there's actually an entire line connecting it to this very, very bright dot. So overall, if you are a teacher or a professional or just a science lover and you want something that's really bright, a green laser pointer or something for a connection, it's really inexpensive, this model, because it's not super strong, but everything is still really, really bright for most people's needs. This might be the laser pointer to get for you. And you can also form, because this camera is so slow, I can actually pick up shapes. Like if we do OSReviews, here's an O, here's an S, R, E, V, I, E, W, Z. Alright, so thank you for watching this video review at OSandVTXReviews.com. Please read our full review for a much higher quality resolution that I'll be posting on the website exclusively and not just on YouTube, that you will actually be seeing the line of sight. This one is just the camera, so low resolution. It's faster upload to YouTube as well, so check out our link below and please read our full reviews. Thank you very much, OSandVTXReviews.com.